guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here with a new project to share with you. So this is a rainbow style album and it was super easy to put together. I love how this turned out. So this is one of the projects that I included on my digital magazine. So on my magazine you will find the picture tutorials on how to make this book and many other projects as well. So for this book, as you can see, we're using the ring bound, and so on the tutorial you will find the base, which is the one set here. So what I did is I created double of the pages listed on the magazine, and I just used 2 rings to put all of this together. So I recreated this book with my YouTube members on a live class, and instead of making 2 books, I decided to just bound it all together. And I actually love how chunky this feels, and you have just double the pages and double the amount of space to put pictures. So over here I have a wooden, this is like a little wooden picture frame. So I just took out the little handle here, and I'm using this mesh to kind of just represent the little sea turtle getting out of the mesh, you know, just swimming free. And so yeah, so I have some laces, some trims, and let's take a look inside here. So the beautiful paper collection, and then when you open this page here, I added some journaling pages, so you can have like a combined mini album slash journal, so you can add all your summer memories here. So again, all the steps on putting this together is on the magazine, and then I just added a sticker here that says life is better at the beach, and I just love the beautiful paper. Then same over here. So this is a pocket, so we have some removable trifold pieces. So this opens and opens up like that, and then you can put it back onto this pocket here, but you could also put more photo mats on the pockets as well. I just wanted to display the papers on this side here, but you can of course still add more pictures. Then here on the next page we have these little opening flap here with the beautiful papers again, and then it just repeats here with the paper for the little journaling section, and then we have a beautiful map over there and some chipboard pieces. And then here on the next page we just have another little booklet, and this just will accommodate 4 by 6 pictures here, so lots of room for pictures. So on the picture tutorials I show you how to do the basically the add-on inserts, and then you can just place them whatever you like on your book, or you can make multiple if you want more space for pictures and just add even more. That what I'm showing here. Whoops, I'm struggling with these, but yeah. So then again, this is another little journal section there. Love the paper. And then over here this opens up, so this is the section that I added on the live class. So these designs, these booklets do change because this is something that we did on the live, but I still wanted to share with you. I need to add my paper, as you can see, but I just wanted to make this quick video. So this is the trifold without papers here. I actually forgot that I needed to add more papers here, but it's okay, we're just gonna go with it. And then most of the areas here will be for pictures anyway, so probably just add paper on the front. And then over here the beautiful paper collection. I just love how this looks. Now if you want to still add pictures, I would suggest just putting little ones, or maybe just adding cute little foldables on top of that. And then here again, so I decided not to put a journal, but this is how the flap looks when you know, if you don't add any pages. So if you don't like to do journaling pages, you can still just kind of have it as a flap. And so same thing over here, we have another little booklet, same as the beginning of the book, and then the same trifold. So again, I just doubled the pages on the live class, and then this is the same as the other one that you saw. And then over here another a trifold booklet there. And so yeah, so that is this book. Super easy to put together because you're not dealing with any hinges or binding, and I just love the look. I love how chunky this looks. And then if you want to cover your rings, I actually don't mind the rings here on the side, but you can always just add some seam binding and just add some laces or charms there on the side. So I'll probably be doing a little bit more of that as I'm adding my pictures. But yeah, so that is gonna be the walkthrough. Check out my digital magazine. I'm gonna have the link down below. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.